Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video we are going to solve a nice geometry math Olympiad problem. So it is given in the question that ABC is a right angle triangle, that is right angle at B. EDC is also a right angle triangle, that is right angle at D, and there is another triangle ADE. So the area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADE are given as 6 and 2 respectively, and in this question we have to find out the area of a triangle ABC. So very first, in order to solve this question, let assume the area of triangle EDC is x unit. So from here we can very first assume the side length BD as A and side length AB as B. So from here we can write the area of triangle ABD as area of triangle ABD, that will be equal to 1 by 2 times base, that is BD, multiplication height, that is AB. So after putting their values, it can be written as 1 by 2 times BD, that is A, and AB, that is B. And area of this triangle ABD is also given 6 unit. So we can equate 1 by 2 times AB with 6. So further from here we can write AB is equal to 12. So let's call it equation number 1. Similarly, the area of triangle ADE can be written as area of triangle ADE, that will be equal to 1 by 2 times base. So from here we will be calling this side DE as base, and let's assume the side length D is nothing but C. Now we have to find the height of triangle ADE. So in order to find the height of triangle ADE, we will first draw a straight line that is parallel to side BC like this. Similarly, we will also be drawing a straight line that is parallel to AB from DE like this. With this manner, these two lines intersect each other. Let's call this point of intersection as F, and this is angle 90 degree. So here AF will be the height of triangle ADE in order to find the area of triangle ADE. So area of triangle ADE can be written as 1 by 2 times base, that is DE, multiplication height, that is AF. So here AF and BC are parallel. Similarly, AB and FD are also parallel. So from here we can write the side length of AF in terms of A. In fact, BD will be equal to AF. That means the side length AF will also be A unit. So from here we can write 1 by 2 times DE, that is C, and AF, that is A, and the area of triangle ADE given in the question, that is 2. So from here we can write CA is equal to 4, and let's call it equation number 2. So from here we can divide equation number 1 by equation number 2. So from here we can write AB divided by CA is equal to 12 divided by 4. So further we can write B divided by C, since these two quantities will be cancelled out. So here only B by C will remain. So B by C, in fact B divided by C can be written as 12 divided by 4. After simplification it will become 3. So let's call it equation number 3. So further we will be using the property of similar triangles, that if two triangles are similar, then area of their ratio will be equal to the square. In fact, area of these two triangles, in fact the ratio of area of these two triangles will be equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So from here we can see that if we check out the triangle ABC and triangle EDE. So in triangle ABC, angle B and angle D both are 90 degree, and angle C is common to both these triangles. And that means if angle B is equal to angle D and angle C is equal to angle C, that means in triangle DEC, angle E will be equal to with the triangle with the angle A in triangle BAC. That means triangle ABC and triangle EDC will be similar triangles. So from here we can conclude that triangle ABC and triangle EDC are similar triangles. So if they are similar triangles, so we can use the property of similar triangle, that the ratio of their area, that means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle EDC will be equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So in order to decide means what corresponding side we will be taking, in fact from triangle ABC we will be taking side AB, and from triangle EDC we will be taking the side ED. So here we can write AB square divided by ED square. So if we put all the values that we have, triangle means area of triangle ABC is nothing but 6 plus 2 plus x. From here we can see that area of triangle ABC is the sum of area of triangle ABD and triangle ADE and triangle EDC. That means area of triangle ABC can be written as 6 plus 2 plus x, 6 plus 2 plus x, and area of triangle EDC is x, and side length AB is B and side length ED is C. So it can be written as B square divided by C square. So if we simplify this equation, so we will have 8 plus x divided by x, and on right hand side the ratio of B by C, in fact it is given 3 from equation 3. So from equation 3 we will have the ratio of B and C, that is B divided by C is equal to 3. So if we put this value on this result, that is B divided by C raised to 2. So from here we can conclude that 8 plus x divided by x is equal to 3 square. So further if we simplify this resultant equation, then we will have 8 plus x divided by x is equal to 3 square, that is 9. So further we will have 8 plus x is equal to 9x. So from here we can conclude 9x minus x is equal to 8. That means we will have 8x is equal to 8. So after simplifying this we will have x is equal to 1 unit. That means the area of triangle ABC can be given as 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9, and this is the answer of the question. So in this question the area of triangle ABC is nothing but 9 unit square. So I hope you enjoyed the solution and the manner we discuss it. So please like the video, share this video with your friends who loves to solve mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And thanks a lot for watching this video.